Hey, you guys, Andrea Cox here, intuitive healer, holistic wellness coach. Boy, oh boy, do I have something I have just been wanting to share with all of you. So I have discovered an app called the Root Cause. And what this app does is really quite incredible. You can type in, I don't even need to show you, I'm going to tell you. You can type in whatever ails you, whether it be a mental health issue, a physical ailment, a broken limb, or you're having sugar cravings, or you're having symptoms of not being able to get your routine done. That was what I typed in. And when I tell you that the root cause creates, I would call it a protocol. I mean, it creates a complete protocol for you to get on a healing path. Now, you know me, I never promote anything I don't put my heart and soul into and truly wholeheartedly believe in. And I believe that this app is the wave of the future. It's really cool. You just type in whatever you're going through. So let's see, say it's sugar cravings. You'll type in sugar cravings. You'll see this brain do its work, and then it comes back with asking you a series of questions. Give us more information, just like 3 or 4 questions. Answer that, and it'll tell you why you're having the sugar cravings, what you can do to slow the sugar cravings down, what you can do to completely eliminate the sugar cravings. So one of the things I said was extreme weight loss. You know, I'm a little skinny mini. I've lost like 40 pounds over the past 3 months. And I typed that in and it said, well, has there been anything else that's happened? And I said, well, yes, I went through this, and this. And the app was actually able to tell me that this was stress-induced weight loss. Yeah, it was stress-induced weight loss. And I thought, wow, an app that actually tells you how you can shift out of one area or one habitual pattern in your life into another pattern, a more healthier pattern, to actually heal. This app is amazing. Use the code Andrea, all capitals, and get a discount and sign up. It's under $10, you guys. Sign up for this app today. It will change your life. Use the discount code Andrea. I'm telling you guys are going to love this app.